Sino ang coach na pipiliin mo?
Coach Jack. Coach Jack.
Dito pong coach ay si Coach.
Ay, grabe yung suspense to ah.
Si Coach Zach po.
For Summer, grabe. Sobrang solid ng boses ni Summer. Sobrang buo. Summer was 8 or 9, pero grabe yung technique niya, yung control niya sa boses niya. Sobrang powerful. And perfect siya sa team na to eh. Rockstar tayo dito. Ito, Thunders na to, hindi to Rockstar.
Chicken tenders ako.
Chicken Thunders. Chicken Thunders.
Sarap pa rin, juicy pa rin.
Good job, Summer.